Hello everyone, today we're going to explore a new trading strategy. For trading, we will be dealing with a pair of gold and the US dollar. Use a time frame of 1 hour. Additionally, there are two indicators, which I will discuss further on. For now, if you're interested in testing this strategy with a trustworthy licensed broker, I highly recommend following the link provided in the description below this video. Sign up and begin forging friendships with me. Well, as I said, we need to add two indicators to our chart. The first item to discuss is indicators. Pay close attention to this one. Observe its name closely. I will include the video below for your reference. The name is quite intricate. Yes. Just copy and paste. It's not going to be difficult. Yes. The second indicator is on its way. This is a pulse oscillator. So, he also left this name in the description below the video. For convenience. Yes. So add it to the chart. Let's proceed in this manner. Yes, indeed. Let's proceed to the settings. Start. First sign. In this circle, write 5. The second one is 4. Third. 20. Even more so. Deselect the boxes here. Save the settings. Let's move on to the second indicator, in which we alter only the initial value. 3. Storage. Oh, so what? We are here. We can handle it. Look at this. If we have, it appears, a purchase signal is generated and a green candlestick is also formed. The blue line of our Druid Katra is above the value of 0. As you can observe, it exceeds this value. So it is. We can safely open a position on purchase. That's it. At this point, we initiate a purchase value. Stop. You can take it slightly below the previous low. Let's go here. And take profit. The ratio of elasticity. I take 1:1 before realizing a profit from this strategy. 4. Great, that's just great. See this? This one. Vimbra sites closed again due to water. Plus, I'm sorry, but I need a text to correct. Could you please provide it? This is likely where it would be. Let's see if I open it here. There is a red candle sell signal, and the value should be beneath 0. What we do is we initiate a transaction. Order. Yes. I'm sorry, but you didn't provide any text to correct. Please provide the text you want corrected. Stop loss. Slightly above the previous peak. Profit with us. I'll be there. As you can see, we wouldn't have succeeded in this position, but there was still a slight Eastern tendency. I would recommend it in such situations. This is where the purchase signal appears. To shut off our costly water supply. Top 2. If closed, it would be around here. Yet we still received a small one. The profit is there. Here. And it's the same in this case. We would also introduce our second deal already available at this location. Once again, we might have experienced a minor setback. Be careful. Even though we have published 100 profiles, we are adhering to the schedule. Direction of the price. Look, this is where we have just formed. A purchase signal was transmitted. Green candle. Yes. And our blue line is above 0. So let's open 3 transactions and see. Everything is here. Show, wave. 100 is lower. Parana, minimum. So here it is. Tech profits, the ratio of risk to return. 1:1, 4. Have a nice day. Establish profit here. Let's take a look. This, we are moving. Hey. Here. Listen, there was a slight setback, but we hope that everything will be fine from now on. All. We are closing our deal. And we do work. Let me follow up, find a few more examples, and continue. Thank you for viewing. Finally, I waited for the public to make a purchase. As you can observe, this is our signal. We have a red candle, and the stage line is below 0. So let's get into position. For sale. Apologies for the confusion. The item is for sale. The item is for sale. The item is for sale. We have a multitude of items for sale. Set the stopper and take profit. Go. And let's take a look. Where we are going. What's our plan? SEC. We're achieving our goal. And we secured the deal. Works. Our view. This strategy is working. It is clear that even a slight bit won't make the orders profitable. Just come on. Multi-strategy. Profitability is paramount and of utmost importance. So if you wish to try it out, make sure to follow the link provided beneath this video. There is a connection to a trustworthy licensed broker must be established. Register and begin trading. And thank you all very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave comments and see you in the next video.